As consumers become more aware of the pitfalls of buying too much tool for the job, retailers are reaping the rewards of offering right-sized tool options. Ingersoll Products focuses on design-engineered solutions that result in more efficient tools based on eliminating the overkill that can be detrimental to affordability, productivity, and environmental sensibility. Bigger isn't always better. More isn't always appropriate. Ingersoll's patented hand sander system perfectly embodies the value of right-sized tool design. The only high-quality sanding system in the retail marketplace, hand sanders from Ingersoll Products implement 3 patented advancements that ensure flexibility and ease of use based on specific needs and configuration. The Quick Connect clip for any rectangle sander configuration is the fastest, easiest, and most secure method for locking in sandpaper. The corner sander allows each stroke of a corner to sand both sides of a corner at the same time. The easy pole connection enables double duty with quick, easy switches from hand sanding to sanding at a distance via using a pole. The hand sander system by Ingersoll Products has been designed for retail leaders looking to provide seasoned pros and new adapters with the right size tool option. Maybe for a specific job, a sander requires a fixed handle rather than a removable one. Maybe the pole sander attachment is also required, or perhaps a round sander is needed in the 8-inch rather than the 9-inch diameter. For manufacturers, distributors, or retailers looking to serve specific markets with specific configurations, the hand sander system by Ingersoll Products is the ideal solution. The sanders can even be appropriately branded. Any colors possible and screen printed graphics are available. Right sized for efficiency and designed for elegant functionality by people who know what the job really requires also means no needless dust or excessive cleanup. Introducing the customizable hand sander system by Ingersoll Products. Visit our website at ingersollproducts.com and discover why more and more professional contractors and do-it-yourselfers are discovering the benefits of our proprietary hand sander system. Engineered efficiency through technical elegance.